Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to transfer crypto from crypto.com app to MEXC Global. In order to transfer crypto from crypto.com to MEXC Global, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, go and log into your crypto.com app. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page you have to go and select the asset that you wish to transfer. When I've actually selected the asset, then you need to go to the transfer tab and press the transfer button. You'll be able to see your drop down menu. So from the list, you could go ahead and press on external wallet. As you press the external wallet, then you need to enter the wallet address manually. That is, you need to enter the account number or an account details of the MEXC Global. When you've actually done that, you need to go ahead and type in the exact amount that you're transferring, the network type, and confirm the transaction, and just go through the instructions and review the terms and conditions. Then you've successfully transferred crypto from crypto.com to MEXC Global. In some cases, it might take a couple of days in order to transfer the crypto, so you can wait patiently or contact the support team if you're unable to receive the crypto. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.